Okay, been driving about 3 hours now, coming around the M25 to Gatwick from Wales, heading down towards Dover where we're going to park up for the night, and I'm going to then answer some FAQs, customers' questions, for a few hours, then get a good night's sleep because the ferry is at 7 o'clock in the morning, and that'll take us over to Calais, and then we'll be doing this cross route, across Germany to Berlin. Now, at the IFA, you've got a lot of major companies there. AG, Electrolux, Zanussi, Haier, Brandt, I believe Bosch, Neff and Siemens, LG, Samsung, and also Media Group and Vestel as well. We'll be seeing what new technology they've got and also asking them the question, what are they doing about the Right to Repair Act? This is really important to everyone that watches my channel. Being able to repair machines nowadays is very important. The cost of living has gone up significantly in the UK, and also the repairability of the machines has become very difficult because, you know, you've got to consider all the engineers that are out there. They have to charge somewhere in the region of £60-70 call out nowadays. And when you consider that a fridge freezer or a washing machine, the starting price can be as little as £250. We need to be able to repair machines ourselves, and the whole of my YouTube channel alone basically just wants the right to repair their machines. Technical information, affordable spare parts, and at least a chance of making a machine last somewhere in the region of 10 years. The average lifespan of machines nowadays are sometimes as low as 4 to 5 years, which is just not acceptable, especially in today's environment where we're meant to be not only being environmental, but we're also meant to try and keep a lot of these machines from the scrap heaps.